I'm privileged to give my self-introduction. My name is Nikitha. I'm pursuing degree final year BCom Computers in Singularity Degree and PG College. Uh, I have secured 8.1 in third semester. I've continuously increased my grade point since class 10. This is through continuous learning, hard work, dedication, and listening skills. I listen very actively in class, which helps me to grasp the subject and prepare for the examination. My strength is adaptability, where I can adjust to the new organization and new conditions of the organization. I'm focused in whichever activity I participate. Then my weakness is I'm a little bit short temper. I have recently identified this quality, which is not so useful. So I'm overcoming this situation by giving some time to myself. Then my hobbies are cooking and listening songs, singing songs, etc. I came to know that Pepsi company is dealing with goodwill, so I'm very passionate to join in this company to achieve my goals.